Hi, so I'm making one of my meals that I make constantly here, and I'm going to do one of the parts right now. We're making chicken turnovers, and I'm making rice. And what I've done is I've taken my chicken, I've cooked it in a Instapot, got it really good, added some broth to it. The other thing that I use for extra flavor is Mrs. Grass soup, and then it has the extra noodles. So I use the packets to put in the water to help it cook a little more. And then what I'm doing now is I'm making the rice. So I take the leftover noodles that I have and I put them in a pan with some butter, and we get them ready to go. So what I'm going to do with these, it's noodles, just like this, you can see. And we're going to fry them up in the butter. And they're going to get brown so that when we put it in the rice and the rice cooks, it gives it like a rice pilaf is what we're making. So I have that started. I've done 2 cups of rice. I've added parsley to it, probably about a tablespoon. Then I've added salt and pepper to taste. If I was guessing, I would probably say a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper, something like that. And then I take some of the broth that I made from my chicken that I cooked, and I have 4 cups of that. So I have 2 cups of rice, and I'm going to add my liquid to it. Okay, get that in the pan. And then I'm frying up the noodles. So we need to get these going a little more so you can get a good idea of what they look like. See them cooking, hear them cooking. So what I'm doing here is to look to get them a golden brown so that it browns the noodle and it gives it some color so that when it goes in the rice, it mixes up and cooks. I'm gonna bake this rice in the oven at about 350. It's probably gonna take about 25 to 30 minutes for it to get all ready to go. But that's what we're looking at here, and I'm going to show you how I'm doing the chicken turnovers, how we make those, and we'll show you all this. When this is finished, I'll show you the rice when we get done, and we're going to move over to do the chicken turnovers.